She's store number 1 on her way forward. Here comes Existent in 18, and then Cardem, store number 6. So a couple out of line. Here is the striped jacket of Nature Strip to store number 10. Logo Hunter rears. Mondamage out of line. They're off. They race away for the King's Stand Stakes. Mondamage not with them. Pontos is very fast away. Winter Power is up there as well. Acclam Express and Lazuli behind these. He missed the kick on Golden Pal. He's making a move already. Nature Strip in the red and yellow stripes is up there as they make their way already down to the halfway stage. Tis Marvellous is behind the leaders. Then comes Equilateral, Lazuli, and one loose one. Cardem, I think, is running loose at the back of the field. There has got rid of the pilot as they head down with 2 furlongs to go. On the left is Winter Power. Golden Pal on the right. Nature Strip, the white bridle down the centre. Pontos is there. Acclam Express not far behind these. They're followed by King's Lynn, and then comes Twilight Cause as they head down to the closing stages. A furlong to go in the King's Stand, and as they do so, Nature Strike leading to Acclam Express in second place. Twilight Cause coming home in third position, but it is the great Australian sprinter, Nature Stripe and James McDonald, and look how far they've won by. Second will go to Twilight Cause to Acclam Express, Monista behind those, and then came Equilateral and King's Lynn, and behind this was Lazuli, a man of promise.